Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I don't know if you guys know that May is Mental Health Awareness Month. So I thought कि एक वीडियो करते हैं जिसमें I will tell you about the books which talk about mental health and how reading these books increased my knowledge about mental health and the awareness which should be common amongst people. Like we are in 2020, come on people, हमें इन सब के बारे में, in the how to detect mental health, like if something is going wrong with your friends or with any family member. I think these books are of a great help. And yeah, so I will discuss the 6 books which I have read. And yeah, I hope आप लोगों को थोड़ी help मिले and you will go ahead and read it. And it will promote mental health awareness at some level. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share my video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to press the bell icon which is right next to the subscribe button so that you never miss any update or any latest upload of my video. So let's begin. So the first book which I want to talk about is this one. Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine. I've talked about this on my Instagram a lot. If you follow me over there, you might be knowing about it. So this book, it is very widely popular. When I picked it up, I did not actually like it शुरू से. Like the starting was very slow. समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या है क्या नहीं है. But if you stick through it towards the end, this book makes a lot of sense. And इसमें the main themes which have been highlighted related to mental health in this book are PTSD, that is post-traumatic stress disorder, depression, anxiety. So this book is very great to begin with, to understand what mental health is, how to detect it, and how to create awareness about it. Okay. So the next book is this one, The Perks of Being a Wallflower. So there's also a movie about it. So if you watch the movie, great, but I would still urge you to read the book because the book has so many details which the movie doesn't. Some themes which I would like to tell you, which are discussed in this book related to mental health, are trauma, abuse, depression. These are the themes which are majorly discussed in this book, and I hope this is not some sort of spoiler, but yes, you should pick this book up. It actually explains very well how, reading these books, it feels like कि सब कुछ तो normal चल रहा है, इसमें अलग क्या है, but when the author goes on to explain कि ये अलग था, ये different था, it actually is a mind opener कि oh shit, this was what was happening and we did not even realize. How will we click it, how will we get to know about it in real life if it's happening to someone we know? So yeah, give this one a read. The next book, which is also my all-time favorite, is this one, The Bell Jar. So this book mainly talks about depression, and this is also sort of based on the author's life. The first book which I read about mental health, and it was such a big eye-opener for me to explain depression in a way. This author has done beautiful work, and it is also a classic. So you can definitely pick this up if you are into that sort of literature. And yeah, okay, so the next book which I would like to talk about is Turtles All the Way Down by John Green. So that book I think is first of its kind. Like it is a YA book and it discusses a topic such as anxiety on such a huge scale. I really enjoyed reading that book. I did not know how having anxiety of that level, having panic attacks felt like before I read that book. My friends who are who do get anxious and have anxiety at that level did relate to it, and they said yes, it is a very good representation of what they feel like at some level. So I think that book is very good if you want to know about anxiety and more mental health material. The next book I would like to talk about is Without Merit. It is a young adult book. I think it will be very easy to read compared to any other book because obviously young adult are written in a very simple language. So yeah, that book, a major mental health theme of that book is depression, and yes, it is again an eye-opener. It beautifully explains how that, I will not give you spoilers, but beautifully explains depression, and it's a sub-theme of romance, and you do get into that book, you do get it's like it's a page turner, and then how the author does this beautiful work of revealing about depression and talking around it. It's very beautiful. Next book which I would like to talk about is 13 Reasons Why. Of course, there is a whole series on it and everybody has watched it, but I still feel reading the book is better because it explains more things and is a better representation of mental health. So yeah, again, it has a lot of topics which should be talked about, which should be discussed about, and are not that much. So I think we need to spread awareness. So if you have watched the show, maybe pick up the books I'm talking about, or pick up the book of 13 Reasons Why itself. So the books which I have read on mental health awareness and I would suggest to you guys, but there are two more books which I would like to mention. Now these books I haven't read, but I have heard very positive reviews about them, and so I thought I should mention them. First one is All the Bright Places, and the second one is Maybe You Should Talk to Someone. So these two books, the people who do read books about mental health awareness very regularly have been recommending it to me a lot. So I thought I should include it in my video. Yeah, that's all. I really hope that people get more aware about mental health and how it is as important as physical health. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to spread awareness about it. May is Mental Health Awareness Month. I hope you guys know that, and if not, I hope you got to know about it now. And any suggestion or any feedback is most welcome. You can connect with me on any platform. I've linked them all down below. And if you wish to buy any of these books, I've also linked their Amazon link in my bio below. I am exciting news, I'm an Amazon influencer now, so if you do click on those links, it will give me a little bit of earning, so that'll be really helpful. And yeah, that's all.